They're going to give me the information, and I'm going to create the equation. So let's look at example number 1. For example number 1, they give me foci and vertices. So I'm going to go ahead and plot those. All right, what is my major axis going to be, horizontal or vertical? Horizontal or vertical? Horizontal. How do I know?
Because the y value remains the same, the x value change.
Okay, so my vertices are both on a horizontal line, and my foci are both on a horizontal line. So remember, vertices are the endpoints of the major axis, so that tells me major is horizontal. And the foci are always on the major axis, so that tells me major is horizontal. They could have given me either one of those things. They didn't have to give me both, and I would have known. So I'm going to copy the equation there from higher up on the page for major axis is horizontal. So you'll notice that I really just need 3 things. I need the center, I need the A value, and the B value, and I'm done, right? Center, A, and B, all I need. So let's start with finding the center. If I have both of my vertices, where is the center?
In the middle.
In the middle, right. Or if I have both of my foci, where is the center? In the middle, right. So again, they could have given me either one of those things, and I could do the midpoint, and I could find my center. So my center, you might want to like hand draw it in first, and then just see where you are. So I just came over here and said, okay, halfway in between this vertex and this vertex is going to put me right here. Where am I? Oh, I'm at 2, 2. You also could literally calculate it out algebraically by saying, okay, if I go halfway in between 0 and 4, where am I? Or if I go halfway in between -1 and 5, where am I? You can calculate it as an actual mean, -1 plus 5 divided by 2. All right, so how do we find A? It's the distance from the center to what? The vertex, right. So if I go from my center, which is 2, 2, to my vertex, which is 4, 2, what's that distance? 2, so A is 2. B, I don't know. I don't have enough information about that. But I do have enough information for C, right? Because C is the distance from the center to a focus. So I could look at it and say, what's the distance between 2, 2 and 5, 2? Or what's the distance between 2, 2 and -1, 2? And so I'd be able to figure out that C was equal to 3. And then once I know A and C, then I can use Pythagorean Theorem, since that's the formula that equates A, B, and C with hyperbolas, to figure out what my B value is. So I'll get B squared is equal to 5. And so B would be the square root of 5. So we've already plugged in our center. That was HK. So we can come and plug in A. So since A was 2, then our denominator here, A squared, is going to be 4. And then over here, since B was the square root of 5, then our denominator, B squared, is going to be 5. And I'm done. That's all I have to do is just create the equation.